Good day, everyone. I'm Christian Mendoza, and today I'll be presenting about the camshaft and valve chains. So, what is camshaft? A camshaft is a long rotating shaft with lobes called cams that control the opening and closing of the engine's intake and exhaust valves. It is connected to the crankshaft through a timing belt, chain, or gears to ensure precise synchronization made of hardened steel or cast iron. The camshaft is built to endure high stress and maintain smooth engine performance. So this part is about the camshaft. Basically, the camshaft is the one responsible for controlling the timing of the engine valves. It makes sure that the intake and exhaust valves open and close at the perfect moment during each cycle. It works together with the crankshaft connected by a timing belt, chain, or gears para synchronize yung galaw ng engine. And if the timing is off, the engine won't run smoothly or efficiently. So since it's exposed to a lot of force and heat, the camshaft is key components that keep the engine running properly and deliver smooth performance. So here's Bullet. The camshaft is a long rotating shaft with specially shaped lobe called cams. Each cam lobe pushes against a valve mechanism to open and close the engine intake and exhaust valves. It is usually made of hardened steel or cast iron to withstand high stress. The camshaft is connected to the crankshaft through a timing belt and chain or gears to keep precise synchronization. So next, let's move on to the valve trains. The valve train is the system responsible for operating the engine intake and exhaust valve. It works with the camshaft to control the flow of air-fuel mixture and exhaust gases in and out of the combustion chamber. This system ensures the engine runs efficiently and smoothly by maintaining proper timing coordination. So valve trains. The valve train is the group of components that control the movement of the intake and exhaust. It includes the camshaft lifters or tapettes, push rods for OHV engines, rocker arms, valves, and valve springs. The valve train ensures the right amount of air-fuel mixtures enter the cylinder and exhaust gases exit at the correct time. So there are different types of valve train layouts: overhead valve (OHV), overhead camshaft (OHC), and dual overhead camshaft (DOHC). So in short, the valve chain is a group of parts that actually makes the valves move. It's the system that transfers the motion coming from the camshaft para mabuksan nyo at may sara yung intake and exhaust valves at the right time. It includes several components like the lifters, push rods, rocker arm, and springs. And lahat yan dapat gumalaw in perfect coordination kasi even a small delay can affect how the engine breathes or performs. In simple terms, the valve train is that what allows air and fuel to enter the engines and lets exhaust gases go out smoothly. Without the engine wouldn't be able to complete its combustion process properly. So now let's discuss the key difference between camshaft and valve trains. So the camshaft is a rotating shaft that lobes that control timing and movement. The valve chain is a system of parts that transfer the camshaft motion to open and close the valves. The camshaft is one of component of that valve train while the valve chain includes multiple components working together. So basically, camshaft is the part that controls the timing of the valves. It's a rotating shaft with lobes that decide when the intake and exhaust valve should open or close. In short, siya yung nagbibigay ng motion or signal para gumalaw yung mga valves na engine. Meanwhile, the valve chain is the entire system of components that actually carries out the motion. It includes parts like the liters, push rods, rocker arms, and springs. So, lahat yan is nagtutulungan para ma-transfer yung galaw mula sa camshaft papunta sa valves. So, to put it simply, the camshaft is just one of the part of the valve train, while the valve train is the whole group of parts that make the valve operation possible. Both are important. The camshaft provides the movement, and the valve train delivers it accurately for smooth engine performance. So, in importance, properly functioning camshaft and valve train ensures the smooth airflow which direct affects the engine's power. They also influence fuel efficiency and emissions. Perfect performance engines often use advanced camshaft designs like variable valve timing for more power and efficiency. So, it is very important because they control how the engine breathes. They manage the timing and movement of the intake and exhaust valves, while the camshaft gives the exact timing for when the valves should open and close. So in short, pag hindi sila nag-synchronize, it can cause poor performance or even engine damage. That's why both the camshaft and valve chain play a major role in keeping the engine running smoothly and efficiently. So in conclusion, the camshaft and valve train are essential components that controls the breathing process of the engine. The camshaft provides the precise movement needed for valve operation, while the valve train transfers that motion to open and close the intake and exhaust valve at the correct timing. Together, these two systems ensure efficient, powerful, and clean combustion. Without a properly functioning camshaft and valve train, an engine cannot perform effectively or maintain smooth operation. So in conclusion, the camshaft and valve train are very essential for the engine's operation. The camshaft provides the movement and the valve trains delivers these movements to the valves. So together, they make sure that the intake and exhaust happen at the correct time. Without them, there is no combustion, no power, and no motion. That's why they are considered the heart of the engine's breathing system. So that ends my report about the camshaft and valve chain. These parts are very important because they control the engine valves for proper airflow and combustion. In short, the camshaft provides the motion and the valve chain delivers it the right timing, helping the engine breathe and reduce power. Without them, hindi tatakbo yung makina. And that's it. Thank you for listening and I hope you understand how better these components work and why they essential to the engine.